Hey, you guys, I am back with another video, and today's topic we are talking all about 7 feminine hygiene tips that will level up your life. Listen, if any of this intrigues your little mind, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications so that you won't miss another episode. Listen, if you are new here, welcome. Make sure you hashtag Sunny Squad with 2 sunshine. That lets me know you are new here and I can give you a proper welcome. For all my oldies and goodies, sunshines, welcome back. And we're gonna jump right into today's topic. I'm not gonna pause this video, but listen, when I tell you guys, when I start to talk about hygiene, I get so excited, y'all, because I love putting my sunshines on, giving you guys tips, especially tips that I know have truly worked for me. So listen, the first thing I want to recommend you do, and hear me when I say, drink as much water as you possibly can. I don't care if you have to put some fruits in it, put some lemon in it, whatever you need to do. Drink as much water. Y'all, I've been trying some different things over here. And when I tell y'all, I can tell a difference in my smell down there. I can tell a difference in, it's just crazy, y'all, how you make little tweaks along the way and it starts to really show up. So drink as much water, and I'm going to get some more sips here in. I promise you, your body will thank you. You gotta have water, you guys. And I know a lot of people don't like drinking water, but that's why I say if you gotta add fruits in there, if you gotta add lemon in there, whatever, lime, whatever you need to do to get your intake, do that. And you can look it up on Google and it'll show you like your height, your weight, how much water you're supposed to drink for your body type. Look that up, you guys. And for the next 7 days, I want you to drink. Now, y'all know every now and again, I got to have me a little wine. So I ain't going to say eliminate the wine, but I'm going to say eliminate as much intake of it. Because y'all know I have to have me a glass of wine every now and again, you see. You know, your girl love her wine. So, but drink as much water as you possibly can. The next feminine hygiene tip that will level up your life, I have cut back on my sugar intake. You guys, it's going on 3 weeks. And the other day was the first day I had a piece of a candy. Like a little piece of a candy. Like I've cut a lot of sugar out of my diet. And you can tell my skin is just really, you know, of course I have spot moles and stuff like that. But my skin is really glowing. It's really clear. Like I ain't even been wearing makeup. Y'all know I don't wear a lot of makeup, no way. But I haven't even felt the need to want to put on any makeup. As long as my skin is clean and clear, you guys, I'm happy. I'm A-okay with that. But eliminate excessive sugar. You know, you'd be amazed at what your body can do when it's not, when it doesn't have so much sugar. Because y'all know I have a sweet tooth. So I'm so proud of myself. It's been about 3 weeks, you guys. The other day, like I said, was the first day I had a piece of candy. And then I ended up giving that pack to my baby because I really just didn't have a desire for it. I was like, look at me. Pat myself on the back like, you go, girl. So eliminate excessive sugar intake, you guys. And then the third thing that I'm going to encourage you to do that I talk so much about on this channel, exfoliating. Y'all, when I tell you, if you want your skin to be baby soft, make sure you're exfoliating. I ain't saying go to the extreme like excessive, but at least twice a week. I mean, it's to the point where every time I get out the shower and I put my lotion, well, I ain't gonna lie, it don't be no lotion, it be Vaseline. Because y'all know your girl gonna have her some Vaseline. It be Vaseline, and I have it on. I promise you, my baby, Mama, your skin's so soft. I just want to lay under you. And I'm like, baby, I just want to have a little me time, like by myself. But then I catch myself because I know she like her mama time. And she ain't going to always be my little baby. So I just let her just cuddle because she have a habit. She just like to rub or she said my fat. I be like my motor love. But she loves to rub on my arm. She be like, Mama, your skin's so soft. Girl, it's that exfoliation. I'm telling you, get you. And if you want a tight budget, y'all know I got something for everybody. If you on that tight budget, You got some white sugar or some brown sugar in your house, and you got a little olive oil. Get you a little bowl and put your little brown sugar in there and mix it with some olive oil. That's your sugar scrub. Scrub and exfoliate your body at least twice a week. And that's all I'm going to say about that. But y'all know, when you know, you know. And then the next one that I highly recommend, especially after your periods, make sure you are doing a detox bath. I always say, listen, if y'all follow me on TikTok, y'all know I talk a lot about detoxing. You take your bath, and I'm going to try to put the TikTok video right here so you can see it, but you just put a little. Once I get the water to my liking, I add like a 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar. That is going to help me if my pH balance is off, if after my period I have like, you know how you have the dry blood and it does not smell good. So I like to do this to give myself peace of mind that I'm actually clean. And then I add my baking soda, which is like a 1/2 cup or a 1/2 cup, and just put that in my liking and I soak in it. Now, like I said, please make sure you run this by your doctor. I'm no doctor. These are just home remedies that I've used for years that work for me. You can try them at your leisure. Apple cider vinegar in there. You can add a little baking soda and sit in there after you showered and all that. You've gotten clean, because you don't want to just be sitting in your dirt, because that's really what a bath is. That's why I shower first before I take a bath, so that I can get all the dirt off me, and that way I can just soak in cleanliness. But I do this once a month, every time after my period. And I also use my peri bottle, where I put warm water in there and use that. You know, peri bottles, those bottles they give you after you have a baby. So I have all this linked in my Amazon storefront, so make sure you click the link. It'll be in the bio. But y'all, detoxing your body. And another thing, detoxing your armpits. You be amazed at the gunk of old deodorant that's still caked up under your arm. Detoxing under your armpits is a really great way to get rid of that. And y'all know I always talk about my back brush, what I use in the shower. A lot of people give me smoke about that, but I don't care. It's working for me. It was like, you're not supposed to use the back brush under your arm. Listen, you do what you do, and I'm okay with that. And I'm going to do what I do, because that's what I want to do, and it works for me. I make sure I get all that caked up deodorant out from under my arm, because you could be sitting up here musty and not knowing why. And that's why, because you putting clean deodorant on top of old funky deodorant. It just don't work. It's just really all a recipe for disaster. So that's that. And then the next one, y'all know my holy grail. Once a month, I always do a 7-day smoothie detox. That's my green smoothies. If you follow me on TikTok, you know, you're going to see green smoothies everywhere. Because at least once a month, I do 2 smoothies. I substitute 2 meals with green smoothies. And then I eat a clean meal, whatever meal that is, whether that's dinner, breakfast. I eat clean as I can eat. And that way you give your body a break from all the processed food. You know, I don't eat too much processed food, no way. But it'll give your body a break and clean you out, so you can have a fresh start for the month. And then the next one that I've been trying recently, I've been taking these probiotic supplements. When I tell y'all this baby right here, you take 2 capsules a day. It's the probiotics with prebiotics and cranberries. You take 2 of these a day. When I tell y'all, I've been taking these for about 3 weeks, and I can tell a difference in my smell down there, in my butterfly. She has just a normal, common smell. It ain't no fishy smell. It's just my natural odor down there. And I'm always doing the smell test. Y'all be laughing at me, but y'all know I'm serious about that smell test. And I just be experimenting. Well, I don't think I need to say experiment, because I ain't really experiment. But I be wanting to know how my butterfly smells down there. So I do the smell test often. And since I've been taking these, it's like I don't have a smell at all. Because it kind of scared me at first. But I was like, you know, because I called my doctor and she was like, your natural smell is just what it is. It ain't really a smell. Now, if it was a fishy odor or something like that, then you'd be concerned. But it's not even an odor, you guys. So let me see if y'all can see this. This is how it looks. I'm gonna have it linked in the description for you guys. But this is how it looks, you guys. When I tell y'all, oh my God, when I tell y'all, this right here, I may have been on to some miracle. And I've always been taking these, the D3 vitamins, bone and immune health, because I want my bones to be healthy, honey. These little pills right here, they look like this. They like a little jelly, they got some stuff in them. But anyway, I take them every day, you guys. So that is what I've been doing lately. And it's working for you, girl. It's really, truly working. And the last and final thing that I want to share with you guys that's just really been leveling up my hygiene routine. I stopped using soap down there. Because I told y'all, my body is changing. What worked for me a year ago, it ain't working. What worked for me 6 months ago, not working. It's almost like I'm on the experiment journey of my body now, because my body is changing. And, you know, you just got to just call it what it is. I'm 45, soon will be 46. Anyway, that's a story for a whole other day. But listen, my body is changing. So the sensitive Dove soap that I used to rave about, oh, it had your girl irritated. So lately, what my butterfly has been loving is this baby Dove. I always tell you guys, if it's good enough for a baby, I ain't worried about it messing me up down there. But my butterfly has been really liking this Dove baby sensitive skincare hypoallergenic wash. She be happy when I use this. So if y'all have been experimenting and wondering if the Dove Sensitive is all you can use down there, I would say try this. And for that time of the month, y'all know I love my Down There Feminine Wash by Good Wipes. I couldn't find that one, so I ended up getting this one, and I'm loving this. I can use this every day. I've been using it for 2 weeks now, and I don't have any irritation. I always say you can't go wrong if you're getting stuff that's used on the baby. And then when it's that time of the month, because stay tuned for another period care routine, because I'm going to re-up on my stuff. Hopefully they got my feminine wash down there back in stock, because a week ago they was out. So those are my 7 tips that has been working for me within the last couple of months or so. I told you my body is changing, and as it change, I got to change with it, or else I'm going to be walking around here musty, and I can't do that because that is not cute at all. We is not doing that. But I hope this video helped you guys. I hope that it give you some new things that you can try. And hear me when I say these products that I'll be recommending to you guys, sometimes it may work for you and sometimes it's not. But don't be afraid to say, you know what, I tried it, it didn't really work for me. It is okay. You will not hurt my feelings, because listen, everybody's body is different. What works for me may not work for you, but I will continue to recommend to you guys, especially if it's doing good, if it got good results, because y'all know I take your trust. I don't take it lightly. So when I'm recommending stuff, you best believe your girl been over here using it for a while. So I love you guys. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts in the comments. Let me know what new products you've tried lately for your feminine hygiene routine. And yeah, let's dialogue in the comments, because y'all know I love talking to my sunshines in the comments. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video, because I don't want you guys I don't want this video to be too long. But listen, everything that I mentioned in this video will be linked down below. Y'all know I got my sunshines. I love you guys. Mwah.